So I finally got this little isolator here. This one here is going to be for the driver's side. You got your ground, you got your defroster inlet and the defroster outlet here. So the way this works, if you're looking at the back, you'll have to take the C cover off. You'll have two holes. You got one here that I gotta screw in. That's going to be for a different module. And this one down here is going to be where your isolator goes. Now factory, these holes was already there, but they was not threaded, so I had to take a little tap and die set and thread this hole. It's pretty soft metal for me to thread it. I think it was 6 or 8 millimeter by 125 to thread this hole here on it. So if you get this one here, this ground eyelet is where I took the screw out. That's where it's going to go. You do have a little alignment tab. You do have alignment tab here, a tab there. So I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but this big part here, that's going to fit right there. This little stud here, that's going to fit down there. Then the third one down is going to be where you're screwed into. So pretty much, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Let's go like this way. So pretty much just like that. Might reroute this differently, but what you want to do is disconnect this connector here off of the defroster. Alright, to disconnect the defroster, don't just yank on it or you'll actually break off the little soldering joint on that. On the top of it, you'll have a little button right there. You just want to push in, then pull out on it. So this module itself, this guy here, that is going to plug into the actual defroster. So you want to plug this little guy into it till it clicks. I'll pin that back there. Now the actual defroster one will plug into this fella here. So you'll have to just like that pretty much. And what you want to do is go and get this aligned up and go and put your, it's a 10 millimeter screw. At least that's what I'm using on it for it to hold into place. Alright, after you got that zipped on, then you're all good to go. At least for this side here. Now you will have another side. It's going to be on the passenger side. So not this one here, but it's going to be the one way down here. I don't know if you can see where that bolt's at. Right where this hole is, it's going to be straight down where that bolt's at. The other isolator would go there, and that just plugs into, you will unplug this connector from the defroster, tuck that away since you won't need that, but on the isolator connector, you'll plug that into there and just use it, ground it out into the body of the car. So hopefully that helps you out.